Monster bike. If you're a regular cyclist who's tired of being overlooked by motorists, the monster bike is sure to turn the tables, and a lot of heads. Although only moderately faster than walking, the true pleasure of this one-off creation comes from the experience. Its most noticeable attribute is an enormous front tire taken from a monster truck, which sets the rider well above automobiles and even some trucks on the road. To keep things even, the bike has two wee rear wheels for extra stability. Although its top speed reaches a modest 1.8 miles an hour, riding the monster bike is anything but easy. Serious work is required, making it quite an effective exercise. Bigger than a bike, but less of a toy, it's a brash statement on wheels.
Imagine a car that can take to the skies. The Aleph Aeronautics Model A is turning that dream into reality. This revolutionary electric flying car is designed for both road and air travel, offering a truly futuristic commute. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour on the ground and 110 miles per hour in the air, the Model A is powered by 8 electric motors and propellers, enabling smooth vertical takeoff and landing. It accommodates both a pilot and a passenger, with plans for full autonomy in the future. Weighing in at just 850 pounds, the Model A features a lightweight carbon fiber body, ensuring both durability and agility. It offers a range of 200 miles on the road and 110 miles in the air. For safety, it's equipped with detect and avoid technology, redundant systems for key components, and a whole aircraft ballistic parachute. Priced at $300,000, Aleph Aeronautics expects to begin deliveries by late 2025. The Aleph Aeronautics Model A isn't just a car, it's the future of personal transportation, where the road ends and the sky begins.
Walking bicycle. This next gadget is so extraordinary, even the inventor has trouble describing why it was invented. But one thing's for sure, it's not forgettable. Meet the walking bicycle, a remarkably one-of-a-kind vehicle that replicates the movement of a horse-drawn carriage. Instead of wheels powering the movement, this bicycle glides along on 4 mechanical legs, providing a silky and surprisingly level ride on pavement and solid earth alike. Both legs reach 24.5 inches high, and the metal frame is braced with S-shaped curves for extra security. It's anything but speedy transportation, but the walking bicycle promises to be a hilarious and a delightfully quirky ride for the rider and all onlookers who are fortunate enough to see it ride. The Convercycle. Enjoy biking to the market or doing chores, but are frustrated by a lack of room for cargo? The Convercycle will fix that. This cutting-edge bicycle integrates the comfort of a cruiser with the functionality of a cargo bike, boasting an expansive load capacity of up to 400 pounds. Its best feature is a smart folding mechanism that allows you to convert between compact mode and cargo mode in mere seconds, ideal for groceries, equipment, or whatever it is you have to carry. It's available in a normal bike at 68 pounds and an electric version at 81 pounds, with the freedom to select the ride best suited to your needs. Manta 5. Cycling is no longer just for land. With the Manta 5, you can now cycle on water. This revolutionary creation is the globe's first electric hydrofoil bicycle, revealing a completely new world of cycling. The Manta 5 tips the scales at 68 pounds and features a waterproof electric motor that drives it through the water at speeds up to 13 miles per hour. Its battery provides ride time of as much as 4 hours, and all vital parts are sealed to IPX8 waterproof specification. The bike also has a Bluetooth-connected smartphone app that measures performance statistics in real time. In one dazzling test, a rider was able to successfully ride across New Zealand's Cook Strait, 15 miles between 2 islands, on this hydrofoil bicycle. With developments like this, even captains of ships may begin doing double takes. Hanon Custom Chopper. Bike LS 300. What do you have if you put together the aggressive chopper look and the functionality of a bike? You get the Hanon LS 300, which is one impressive example of design and innovation. This self-made chopper bike not only appears intimidating, it's also eco-friendly. Weighing approximately 90 pounds, the LS 300 is made of heavy-duty stainless steel. For all its bulk, however, it's actually fully operational and surprisingly easy to maneuver. One of the most prominent features of the Hanon LS 300 is its rear wheel, which has been specifically engineered to be 12 inches wide. The bike also features gear shifting and disc brakes to improve control and comfort. Glide cycle running is a fantastic way to keep fit, but gravity's impact can hurt your joints, particularly with extra weight or poor technique. To make running safer and more comfortable, US engineers designed the Glide Cycle, a distinctive running bike for adults. This revolutionary gadget lifts the user softly by a saddle and belt support system, which lessens the body strain a great deal. Consequently, you can run longer and train more safely without causing excessive pressure to your knees and joints. The Glide Cycle is lightweight, collapsible to store in a car trunk, and easy to put together in only a few minutes. It carries 230 to 330 pounds, depending on the model, and supports 65% to 90% of the user's weight. It's an intelligent, low-impact solution that restores comfort to cardio. AlphaWise Bike Stroller. Why not turn everyday strolls with your kid into fun, exciting adventures? The AlphaWise Bike Stroller accomplishes just that by marrying the utility of a stroller with the thrill of a bike. And it's not only an idea, but a working, accessible product. Folded up, it functions just like a standard stroller, ideal for a trip to the grocery store or a walk through the park. But within 5 seconds, it converts into a fully functional bicycle, without the necessity of having to get your child off the seat. It is simple to flip between walking and riding with its speedy conversion, opening up your range in a breeze. 51 pounds and designed to hold 2 adults and 1 kid, the AlphaWise Bike Stroller promises protection and durability. Safety comes first, with seat belts and handrails incorporated into the design. It's an intelligent, family-oriented choice for busy, energetic parents. ETA Bike. Just how fast can a bike travel? The makers of the AeroVelo project have stretched the boundaries by going a staggering 90 miles per hour with their innovative creation, the ETA Bike. This aerodynamic, sleek capsule bike is designed for sheer speed. Made of light carbon honeycomb materials, it weighs only 55 pounds. Because it is enclosed, the rider steers on 2 video display screens that receive a feed from cameras mounted at the front. Nothing has been overlooked in its meticulous design, from an ergonomic seat based on rigorous lab testing to super thin tires, which are only 0.07 inches thick, to minimize rolling resistance. The ETA name is derived from the Greek letter commonly used to signify efficiency, an apt decision for a bike that has its sights set on becoming the world's fastest human-powered vehicle. With ingenuity like this, the AeroVelo company is really rewriting the book on the future of cycling. Car Wheel Bicycle. Here is a bike sure to turn heads, a daring and attention-grabbing design by inventor Mr. Mash. This one-of-a-kind ride is constructed out of refurbished car wheels, a BMX stunt bike frame, and strong steel tubing. Added to that is an old-school motorcycle headlight on the handlebars, combining vintage flair with personal ingenuity. The frame has been ergonomically designed to allow riders to rest their feet in comfort, further enhancing the ease of riding. Weighing approximately 77 pounds, the bicycle is surprisingly easy to handle, It has a gear system which makes getting going a breeze, whether you're riding around the block or running to the local shop. It's not only transportation, it's an artful rolling sculpture,